all over the building, and third layer bunk. Let's go. I just got to Galway, and it's already so much better than Dublin. It's so pretty here. I love it. It's kind of cool. There's no room. I'm sitting and my head is touching. Like, I am bent over and it's still touching. And if I didn't say it already, this is the Wood Quay Hostel in Galway. I'm only going to be here for like 2 or 3 days. Probably just going to get some food, take it easy while I'm here. I'm hoping either tomorrow or the next day I can go to the cliffs of Moher. It has been my wallpaper on my computer since I was in college. It really is a dream come true. It's really cool. I got drunk. So I think I'm going to use this opportunity to kind of talk to you guys a little bit. So I'm in Galway right now. I meant to get on the bus to go to the cliffs of Moher today, but there was some stupid stuff going on, so I couldn't do that. The girl that I was walking with actually was able to get on, but I wasn't because of the internet problems or whatever, the ticket sales. I'm just gonna go tomorrow. I already booked a tour. I think it's like an 8-hour tour. I honestly don't even care how much I pay for this, because the Cliffs of Moher is like the one thing that I really, really want to see here. So coming to Ireland, I was super excited to see the Cliffs of Moher and like so many other things. I really do love traveling. I was talking to someone who was a customer at my work the other day. This guy's like a literal rocket scientist, like masters, making really good money. But I was talking to him about what I'm doing and just working at a bar and traveling basically. And he told me that he was jealous of me. It very much like makes me realize that success is not just how much money you make. It's really just doing what you want to do. Like, I don't make a lot of money, but I'm enjoying the things that I am doing, and you just gotta enjoy those little things. Obviously, trips like this aren't the cheapest thing in the world, but I do work really hard just so I can save up enough money to do stuff like this. I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Alright, I'm here. I haven't officially seen it yet. There we go, baby. It's crazy. Hi. This is so cool. So I just explored that little castle up there. My next mission is to get to the exact point on here where the wallpaper on my computer was taken. I don't know exactly where that is, but I know it's somewhere more south. I want to see exactly what I've been looking at for years. This is also something really cool. Their fences here are just slates of rock, like dominoes, like laid up against each other. This is such a cool little trail. It says this is where the extreme danger starts. Apparently this is an electric fence, and it's like 2 inches away from us. I want to mountain bike this. I'm walking like all the way from one end to the other. This little road is beautiful too. It's really incredible how amazing this place is. I think they said the whole distance of the place is like 8 kilometers, which I don't know the exact conversion, but that's probably about 5 or 6 miles, probably about 5 miles. I got this place to myself right here. That tower, that rock sticking out of the water. I'm walking back right now, finally, and one of the things that I wanted to point out is there's the cliffs of Moher on this side that are beautiful, obviously, and then you look at the other side, and it's just Ireland, just grassy green plains. This whole country is so beautiful. So I know we didn't say what this place is called, but this is the Wild Atlantic Way. Yo! I need to be careful where I step out here. Oh, there we go. This is just a gnarly cliff face right here. like really cool. I didn't even know we were coming here either. This is surprisingly cool for just being a little add-on, I guess. Hey guys. You see that cow picking his nose with his tongue? I don't know if that's gonna look cool, but gotta test out the camera more.
Beautiful spot.
Oh yeah. I had no idea what it was. I just saw the name everywhere. This is actually really cool.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
If you ever want to record yourself without looking like an idiot, just pretend you're on the phone. So I only spent like 1 or 2 days in Cork. It's a really cool city. I just didn't have enough time here, and honestly I've been so busy the last day or two. I only spent 1 night here. The hostel wasn't great, but it was okay. I didn't really do too much. I went to H&M at one point, a card shop, and talked to the guy for a little bit. I wasn't going to buy anything because it was a bit expensive, but he was really cool, so I wanted to support his shop. I got some food at just the Dunnes stores, or Duns, I don't know how you say it, just the cheap supermarkets. I've basically had sandwiches, like pre-made sandwiches from there, like most of the meals that I've had in Ireland so far. But I did really enjoy Ireland. I loved it. Dublin was really cool. I spent the longest time there. I would love to go back someday, and I will for like a day or two at the end of this trip because I'm flying back from Dublin. But that was a cool place. That was a big city. Then Galway was much more of a college town, but there was not a whole lot to do there besides drink. It was a beautiful place, but it wasn't super exciting unless you're down to spend a lot of money. And then Cork was beautiful, but same thing, I didn't find a ton to do there. I feel like a lot of Ireland is really good if you're trying to live here, but if you're just visiting, you really have to do the touristy stuff. But another thing that I noticed is the hostels that I stayed at. When I was in Dublin, people were coming back to the hostels and going to sleep a lot earlier. And then in Galway, they started getting there a little bit later, you know, like people coming in at 11 or 12. In Cork, everybody that slept in there came in at like midnight or 1. It seems like Cork is a much more like late night city than the other two, surprisingly. I'm excited to go to Edinburgh next. It's gonna be beautiful. I've seen pictures of just what it looks like literally outside my hostel, or just pictures of the hostel. And oh my god, it looks like something directly out of like a dream or like a fairy tale. But I'm gonna be here at the airport for probably another 5 hours because my flight doesn't leave for like 5 hours. But I'm just gonna chill, grab some food. I guess I'll see you guys when I get on the plane, or if there's anything else I can think of to say.